In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money to Sri Lanka. We'll go through the process clearly and simply so you can follow along inside the app or website without getting confused. Before you begin, make sure you already have a Remitly account set up and that you're signed in. Once you're inside your account, look at the country option shown at the top of the screen. Click on it and choose the destination country. In this case, you'll want to select Sri Lanka, since that's where you're sending the money. After selecting Sri Lanka, find and click the Send Money button. This will take you to the part of the process where you choose who will receive the transfer. If the recipient's contact information has already been saved in your account, you can simply click their name from the list. That makes things faster and helps avoid entering the same details again. If the person is not already saved as a contact, click New Contact. Then select their country and make sure it is set correctly. This matters because transfer options can vary depending on the destination, and choosing the right country helps make sure the information fields match what's needed. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Take a moment here to review the amount carefully, especially if you're working within a budget or sending a specific total. You may also see the estimated amount the recipient will get, depending on exchange rates and fees, so it's a good idea to check that before moving on. After that, select the delivery method. The available options may depend on what's supported for Sri Lanka and on the details you provide for the recipient. Choose the option that matches how you want the money to be received. Then, select your payment method. Pick the one you prefer to use for funding the transfer, and once that's done, click Continue. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter the recipient's account details. Fill in the required information carefully and double-check everything before moving forward. Even small mistakes in account information can delay the transfer, so accuracy is important here. Once all the details are entered, just follow the prompts on your screen to complete the transfer. The system will guide you through the final confirmation steps, and you'll have a chance to review the information before submitting it. And that's how to transfer money to Sri Lanka using Remitly.